The string to JSON function converts a string value to a JSON string. String is a string value to be converted to a JSON string. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I am building a JSON document that will contain fields user, address, and port. The string values for user and address will be converted to a JSON string so that it is ready to be used by other JSON functions. The string variable sconfig.json starts with an empty JSON object and adds the user field with the string value admin, which is passed through string to JSON to ensure it is correctly formatted as a JSON string. I then take the existing sconfig.json and add another field, address, with the value localhost, also using string to JSON for proper formatting. The last field, port, with a numeric value 8010, is added to the string variable sconfig.json. Since 8010 is already a valid number in JSON format, it is not needed to use the string to JSON function. Finally, I export the JSON document into a file named tm1params.json. Let's run the process and then view the file. After executing the process, the file will look like this.